Hi, I'm Lanny Zuckerman. I'm a member of the Human Rights Committee at Riverbrook. I've actually been a member of the Human Rights Committee since it was formed, which we think was about 1987. The Human Rights Committees were formed um, as a result, I think, of changes in the law and good changes in the law regarding how we treat people with disabilities, whether it's mental disabilities or developmental disabilities. Fortunately, we're no longer in the days where you shut people away and have a situation where they're not really able to do things to their full potential. So that as a result of law changes in these areas, what was then the Department of Mental Retardation, has regulations that require that any institution receiving funding from them, which we do, does have to have a Human Rights Committee to protect the human and civil rights of the individuals living in the facility. So that's how that all came to be about. I think you've asked what it's really meant to me to be on the Human Rights Committee, and I think that it's the ability, I think, over the years to really see what wide and interesting and rich and varied lives the women of Riverbrook do have. Our job, really, in the regulations to see that their rights are protected. But I think that what we learn out of that, is really much broader than that. We want to assure that everybody is treated with dignity, that everybody has the ability and the right to reach their full potential, as members of society, as members of the community. And I think that's really what, the Human Rights Committee, is really about, to see that those things are done. And that's certainly the case here at Riverbrook. And I'm just amazed at the richness and variety of the lives of the women here. And I think what's gratifying, is to be able to be a part of that.